It's Friday evening. Someone is still copying numbers from one file into another so leadership can get the weekly updates. This is where a lot of teams get automation wrong. They think automation means AI, bots, or some massive transformation project. Sometimes the biggest quick win is just removing one repeated task that should never have depended on a human in the first place. The goal is one outcome: faster, more reliable reporting. But three things usually block it: manual copy and pastes, file chasing, one person becoming the process, and there is no one owner, the person closest to the repeated pain. Let me give you a simple example. An analyst pulls the same sales file every morning, clean the same column, updates the same summary, then emails the same PDF to the same person every single day. Not hard work, just repeated work. The quick win is not replacing the analyst, it is automating the repeats, scheduled refresh, standard cleanup rules, automatic distribution. Now, the report moves without begging someone to babysit it. And the analyst can finally do the part that matters. Notice what's changed and why. That is what leaders miss. Automation is not only about saving time, it's about protecting attention, because when smart people spend their energy on retyping, renaming, and resending, the business is paying decision makers to behave like connectors. So do not start with the biggest automation dream. Start with the most annoying repeated task in your workflow. That is usually where the quickest win lives. Save this and send it to someone still building a business on copying and pasting. Stop automating for hypes. Start automating for focus. Think training, think Jake Michaels. Think training impact, think Jake Michaels. See you in class.